ages next year. 3-year-olds wanted their parents out.
You got one. Good boy. All right. Go, 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 go.
You guys have chickens?
Yeah. Because Ken grew up with chickens, so he wanted some. We had them since we were little bitty babies.
And it's directly
You got one. Yay.
51,000.
Braden's like, come over here. Come over here.
Nick would love that tire. I don't know.
All right, Lucas. Woo.
It's a great backyard.
Thanks. Yeah, that was the first thing we wanted to do for Braden. You know, get
Oh yeah, and you've got the path around so he can ride a circle.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, ours goes through the garage. Our track goes through the garage. And when we bought our house, it had like a 14 by 16 patio.
Okay, we got to go everywhere.
Yeah.
You want me to open that Franny for you? The bottle. She doesn't want it? Oh, okay, you're fine.
She's happy at the moment.
There's stuff everywhere out here.
We got more. Braden's trying to find someone to give. Bray, that's for you. They're sharing. What'd you get? Oh, you got eggs.
How many you got, Brady?
Slow down.
Keep going. It's fine. Okay, we got it. What?
Lucas, come here.
Yeah. They're too funny.
Oh, I know. You should have seen Nick at school.
Really?
Yeah. He went right by 3 and
Found another one? Keep looking.
I don't